This is the blessing you ordained, a gift I never could have earned. Like oil running down from the head, it finds the deepest wound in me.
It reaches the pit where there was no water,
The place where my brothers left me to die. Now those who sold me kneel before me, and judgment is mine to command.
but mercy breaks my heart wide open,
And all I can do is weep, not because I have grown more righteous,
but because your mercy reaches me.
pouring down, the blessing you ordained comes pouring down. Oil running down from the head, dew falling down from Hermon, where kindred learn to dwell as one. There the Lord ordains the blessing, life forevermore. Your faithful love comes pouring down.
An ancient name, an ancient line,
Insiders here,
outsiders there.
old wounds handed down through time.
Who gets the bread?
Who waits outside?
She had no claim that she could boast of.
Yet still she cried,
Lord, have mercy.
again and again.
Through every silence,
She trusted there was more than enough. You crossed into the land that feared you.
and heard the faith beneath her cry.
The children's bread was not taken from them, yet crumbs reveal the feast for all.
Not because the human heart grew wider,
But because your mercy crossed the line. Pouring down, the blessing you ordained comes pouring down. Oil running down from the head, dew falling down from Hermon, where kindred learn to dwell as one. There the Lord ordains the blessing, life forevermore. Your faithful love comes pouring down.
how could this blessing ever reach me?
Only because you came to me.
You did not erase the covenant promise.
You opened its abundance to the nations.
You stepped into our dust and sorrow.
You heard the cry outside the door. You called to those still in the darkness. Come closer now, come near to me.
This blessing came,
Not because I was worthy,
not because I found my way to you,
mercy could come pouring down,
because you first came down for me. Now this blessing has reached even me,
crossing the borders of all I deserve,
like a wild branch grafted to the tree.
held by a root that was never mine.
I do not carry the root beneath me.
It is the root that carries me.
Your gifts and calling
Are irrevocable. Your faithfulness will not let go.
you have enclosed us all in disobedience.
So mercy may be shown to all.
No one can boast.
Before your table,
Every one of us lives by grace,
not because I hold you tightly,
but because your hands still hold me.
pouring down, the blessing you ordained comes pouring down. Oil running down from the head, dew falling down from Hermon, where kindred learn to dwell as one. There the Lord ordains the blessing, life forevermore. Your faithful love comes pouring down.
This blessing will not end with me.
It will move beyond my guarded door,
Out into the street, forgotten.
Toward every cry no one has heard.
I am not the source of mercy,
Only the hem where the oil may run.
let it flow over me and